Jimbo, come on up here, Jimbo.
My name's Jimbo.
I know I am. Like, look. I got fire right there. Yeah, it is. But my great grandma was like,
That's the best way. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no shit on the dance floor. Get 2 or 3 drinks, that's work, it's good, now come back in. That's the best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own car. She don't need no lift in the strip club. No girl gonna tip, now she work, it's good, now come back in. Feet, remember making it intensity, flexible, out, intense, ready. Think you look good with the key in the hand, I'm gonna hyper every time, there's a motherfucking good. Down with the Joes and the Bobos. He's staring at the juice and the Mellows. Everybody in the city with the just you and this with that energy. Here with the phone like bitch, that's what. Rich that boyfriend, what's going on? All of that shit now you look don't cut. Yeah, man, wasn't gonna come and lift up for the best friend. She a real bad bitch for her own money. You don't need no dick on the dance floor. Get 2 or 3 drinks and work and run now. Come back in. That's the best friend. She a real bad bitch on her own car. She don't need no lift in the good club. No girl on tip. Work and run now. Come back in. That's the best friend. If you need a drink, I ain't talking motherfucker. You a sweet on me. If you ride with me, you don't need a key. Please that way if you don't need me. She's so bad I can't take that bitch nowhere. You got a fish shot, says, oh, don't go there. Fish bring her back. Penny attack. Shot like a bugger. Put on the neck, you go air. Whole world. One of the yacht. And I named it. She's like day one. I'm already there. Let's get drunk. Celebrate. She's with the baddest in the club. That's her best friend. She a real bad bitch. Got her own money. She don't need no shit on the dance floor. Get 2 or 3 drinks. Work it, brother. Come back in. That's the best friend. She a real bad bitch. Got her own car. She don't need no lift in the strip club. No girl gonna tip. Work it, brother. Come back in. Best friend, you the baddest thing you know. Ooh, girl, think you pretty grown. Look at him there. Hit that pose. Best friend gave you motherfucking love. Best friend gave you wrist was looking frozen. Ooh, girl, think you pretty grown. Fucking with me. Hit that pose. Best friend is my motherfucking soulmate.